today, dealing with some scaly leg mites on my chicken. And what that is if you look at your chicken's legs, you'll see the skin or the scales. It looks like scales on their feet kind of being pushed up. And it's very painful, and one of my chickens, one of the scales ripped off and she's limping around and just not doing very good. The unfortunate thing about these leg mites is they spread. So I'm gonna have to treat the other chickens that I notice it on and then clean out their coop. And it's 20 degrees out, so that's fun. So, here we go. So I have the one in here separated from the others. Hello. Hello, you can see her picking her feet up. Yeah. I don't know if you can see her legs, her feet there, but yeah, she's having a hard time moving around. So from all the research that I've done, one of the methods is to soak it in warm water. So I got a little bucket filled with some warm water in the house, in the tub, and then you dry it off and you put you dip their legs in like vegetable oil, which is supposed to suffocate all the mites, and then you let that dry and then you put Vaseline on, and that's supposed to kill them. It's one way of doing it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know if you can see. I'm sure it's pretty painful. You can see here they're getting pushed up a little bit, and the mites are microscopic, so you can't see them. She's not gonna like this at first. There we go. I cut a little hole in the cover. And there we go.
There's water there?
Yep, don't touch her now. Just leave her alone, okay?
Okay, what?
She's got to soak her legs. In there for a little bit. We're going to go get a towel, get the vegetable oil ready. And hopefully this makes her happy. Oh, okay, you don't like that. Chickens don't like water. Who would have thought? I've had her in here for about 5 minutes. Probably gonna let her soak just a little longer. But I got some vegetable oil that I'm gonna pour in this cup and then just dip her feet in it. Hopefully it helps. And I'm gonna lather her legs up in some petroleum jelly. So I think one of the best things you can do to keep your chickens healthy is to just, look at all of them every day. And, if you get eyes on something every day, you know when something is off. So, and that can help you stay preventative. Also, just keeping a nice, clean environment, feeding them well, keep them healthy. But it's not a foolproof solution, something always happens. Here we go. Plan is to put her in here and dry her feet off. No. Wait. Just chill out. I know you're scared. Get up here.
And do you wipe the oil off?
Yeah. Alright, okay, look out so I can get this in the camera. I'm just gonna lather this jelly all over her leg. That should help. I'm sure that doesn't feel good. Oh yeah, her feet are pretty raw. Okay, that should be good. I think I'm gonna put her downstairs in that cage until she dries more.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna let her dry in here. We'll get some pine shavings in her food. A little wet. There. Alright, now I gotta clean the coop out. So what I'm gonna do is get everything that's in there out. I'm gonna sprinkle some diatomaceous earth in there because apparently that slowly gets rid of the protective shell on the mites, so they can't absorb water. I look it up, but I'm pretty sure that's what it does, and slowly kills them. So then I'll put new shavings in there, and then probably sprinkle some diatomaceous earth around the chicken run as well, and treat any other chickens that I notice. I did see on Amazon that they had a Scaly Leg Mite spray that prevents it. It's like $30 though, so maybe I'll try that as well. This whole time I've been raking. Little Silky in there, laying some eggs. Laying on some eggs. She's the only one laying eggs right now. I got most of it out. Obviously that's not going to get rid of all the mites. Plus they're still in this pile that I raked out too. So I'm going to sprinkle a bunch of diatomaceous earth in here. And then put new shavings in it. This is what I got. This has lasted me a long time. Every once in a while I'll put it in their feed or sprinkle it around just to be preventative. It just helps with parasites and mites. Yeah. Now, of course, if one of them has it, they all have it. And when I looked at the other ones, my other chickens, I did notice some of the scales on their feet lifted up. So, I mean, they're mild cases. This is probably the only other one that it was bad on one foot. But the rest of them are very, very mild. So, but I mean, I gotta treat it. So, yep. I think I'm gonna get the spray though. It's $30 on Amazon, but it's got good reviews, and time is money.
Lift her up a little. Ah! Wait.
You're gonna have to touch her leg.
I don't wanna. This foot doesn't look. Her other.
Well, still, you need to take it. Minute.
You're gonna get. Can you hand me the Q-tips, please?
Minute. Just hold still.
I need to wipe my hands out.
Come on.